Hello students, let's read this question. So the question is, a certain weight of pure CaCO3 is made to react completely with 200 ml of an HCl solution. That means the CaCO3 is completely react with 200 ml of HCl solution, and it gives 224 ml of CO2 gas at STP. So we have to find out the normality of HCl. Okay. So first of all, the condition we have, that is STP, that means standard temperature and pressure, and the most common example is the molar volume of gas at STP is actually molar volume of gas at STP we know is 22.4 liter. Okay, and STP means standard temperature and pressure. So here the standard temperature is actually 273.15 Kelvin, and if we talk about the standard pressure, then it is 180. Okay, so at this condition the molar volume of gas at STP is actually 22.4 liter. Okay, now move on to the reaction we have. So CaCO3 react with HCl, okay, and it forms what? CO2. Again, in this reaction there is CaCl2, that is calcium chloride, is also formed with H2O and CO2. Okay, on balancing it we have here 2 HCl. Okay, so this is the actual reaction. Now we have to find out the normality of the HCl. Okay, so as we know, there are two mediums or solutions we mix. So first of all we have to calculate the number of moles. Okay, so number of moles are actually equal to how to calculate number of moles? We know it is equal to mass upon molar mass. Okay, mass upon molar mass. So if we calculate the number of moles of CO2, then we know the mass of CO2 is actually how much? It is 224. Okay, and the molar mass is actually 22400. Okay, it comes out to be 10 to the power minus 2. So the number of moles of MCO2 is, or CO2 is 10 to the power minus 2, or we can say that it is 0.01. And if we talk about the number of molecules of HCl, so according to the reaction, there are 2 HCl gives 1 CO2. So that means we also can say that there is a double of CO2, that means 2 into N of CO2. So it is actually equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, or we can say that 0.02 moles. Okay, now as we know, the molarity of these two solutions is equal. So we have N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. Okay, and for monobasic acid, molarity and normality is same. So we can say that for mono, because the N factor is equal to, we can say that 1. So for monobasic acid, molarity is equal to normality. Now we have 200 into N of HCl upon 1000. Okay, and it is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, or that is N of HCl. Okay, now from here we have N, or normality of HCl, is equal to 0.1 normal. So the correct option or more appropriate answer of this question is option number B.